Welcome back to Daytime Live. A lot more Jamaicans are becoming healthy, not just with what we eat, but what we put on our skin. And today we're joined by Makisha Hunter of Keys All Natural, who's here to tell us about her products. And of course, we have the lovely Deirdre Taylor with us as well. Yes, natural hair and
bare things.
Yeah.
Welcome, ladies. Before, I want to just talk about alopecia. That's a condition that a lot of persons suffer from.
Yeah.
You have products that speak specifically to that. Tell us about that a little bit.
Okay, we have products like the cayenne pepper for clients, and that stimulate the scalp. Those are for persons who have traction alopecia. That's persons who are receding hair from the hairline. Also, persons who have genetic alopecia and alopecia areata. Now, what it does, it stimulates the scalp, and while stimulating, it helps oxygen and the blood to flow. And these products are mild. Some of them you have to take out after you put them in. You place them in, especially for the cayenne pepper. After you place it on the scalp, you wait for 15 minutes, then you take it out. Right. Now, for the hair root stimulant, that is what we apply gently to the scalp. You can do it like every 3 days or once a week, depending on the condition of the hair.
So you're saying all your products is for various types of alopecia, right?
Yes, because we have different types of hair loss.
And as such, it requires a different treatment.
Exactly.
But did you set out doing products specifically aimed at this condition, though?
Well, yes.
Oh, okay.
Reason being, when I started to do hair, I realized that I have a lot of clients that is coming in that want the help.
It's more common than people know or willing to talk about.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And I love hair. And once you love hair, you're going to try to fix and correct problems.
Right.
And when you see a lot of hair disorder, a lot of skin type coming in, and persons who are saying, oh, my hair, I'm having hair loss, I'm having hair issues. And when I put in the braids, and then all of it starts to recede and all of that. And I'm just sitting back and I said, no, I need to help my clients. I need to help them with their hair growth. Some of them have good hair and they just want to have great hair. Okay. Or you want to have longer hair.
Right.
You know, so we at Keys All Natural, that's the service that we offer our clients.
Beautiful. All right, so let's run through the list of products that you have here and also its benefits. So just take us through that for a second.
Okay, we have the cayenne pepper, which that's the one that you will leave on for 15 minutes.
So which one is the cayenne pepper? This is
the small one.
So it's a little. So you oil your scalp with it.
No, you put it directly on the area that it's most affected. So if the person is having hair loss issue at the crown or along the hairlines, you use that one.
Yeah.
And then
you can't leave it in. So you're saying you put it on for 15 minutes.
Yes.
Rub it in, massage the scalp, and then wash your hair.
And then you washed it out.
And how many times are we using this a week?
All right, you can use that for 3 weeks, every week, 3 times.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, man, things are going in there.
Smell good. Smell peppery. I have pepper in the house.
It's a little stinging.
Tell us about the hair stimulant.
Hair stimulant.
Yes.
So this is for the people that want long hair.
Yes,
for the long hair crew.
Or baby. That's our
Everyone's
baby.
like, yes, in the audience. Me, please.
And let me tell you, it really works. It works. It's for all different hair types. And once you apply it to the scalp, or you can even moisturize the hair with it. And you see, within 90 days, people. Within 90 days. Within 90 days.
90 days.
Within 90 days.
I'll see a little 1-2 inch growth.
Yes.
But I mean, realistically though, if it's 90 days, how many little bottles of these are going to need?
Good question.
You just need like a little drop.
So 1 bottle for 90 days.
Per day?
It probably will even last longer depending on how much you want. Some persons like use it, every day. And when they look, they go, poof, there's so much hair. So it depending on how much you want the increase to be.
Right. So, okay. And this one you don't have to wash out.
No, that one is a leave-in.
I want to talk to the ladies quickly, just for a second. There's ladies out there who love the weave. And we have like, you know, the edges. They talk about laying the edges. Some of us, the edges gone.
Yes.
It gone, right? You guys are like, yes. They know you know what I'm talking about. So you're saying this is a product for that?
Yes.
Okay. Right. All right.
And it does,
ladies, you know what I'm talking
about. It does
about.
almost the same work, stimulate, as the cayenne, but this one, you can leave it.
So is this good for beard?
It is good for.
That's true.
It is good for beard. It is
Men.
good for men.
I have
Men
to-
because
out.
even
I have to
men
look out
are
for the
having.
guys. I have to look out for the. I remember when it took me a year to get the
To get that
bridge
little patches
between
up.
right here and right here. So,
I will
gentlemen,
say something. As
All right.
for women as well, buy it for you guys, because men with beards, gorgeous.
Let-
Yes. Yes, okay, audience. Yes. And you have another product. Tell us about that one. I can't
Yes.
reach it. He has long arms.
all right.
Stumpy
Okay,
arms.
this one is the moisturizer. For persons who doesn't like things that is oily, you want something soft and smooth.
more cream.
Yes, it is a more creamy type, and it smells really good. And it is also made from shades and other essential oils that is added to it
Right.
in order to give you an increase, because it's your decision between the oil or you want the moisturizer.
This
Okay,
is
so
good
here's
because
the
it has
thing.
shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil. Like that's a
That's
super,
everything.
super,
Yeah,
super.
super
Right.
potent.
Right.
So there's some of us out there, we don't know how to do it. You're going to give us a little demonstration as to exactly.
Of course, that's what
Are you
I'm
going to
gonna
put
show you.
everything in our hair, or just one of the products, or what are we going to
Well,
do?
we can only two.
Okay, let's
because
see.
the other one we can't wash it.
Let's
out.
see, because we're running out. Yeah,
All right.
go ahead.
Okay.
Let's see how if she can do it in a minute.
All right, guys, we're gonna apply our oil,
Right.
All right.
right? Because it is sealed,
So nobody didn't seal out any, there's no thieves.
so you don't need a lot,
Uh-huh.
just like that.
Just like that.
Palm, you can warm it, and you can use it here as well. I'm gonna use it on this side,
Okay.
right? You can do this. You can do this, and
And I say beard go still.
Oh, sorry.
apply it to the scalp of the hair.
I don't date with beards, I'm sorry.
Oh. All right, so do that on the scalp.
Right. So
Yeah.
it goes on the scalp, and it also, and you
At the
comb it
ends,
through.
towards
At
the end. So you just
Right.
massage
And you
it
just
through.
massage it in, because you know
Right.
that massages
Right.
helps to stimulate the
Right.
scalp as well.
So
And
can
what-
you use it when it's wet also, when the hair is wet, or you have to do it when the hair is dry?
You can use it when it's wet.
Okay.
You can use
Alright.
it when it's wet. And this one also, the moisturizer,
Okay.
can also be used when it is wet, and you can also blow dry it afterwards,
Alright.
because it's like a
Alright.
protector
Alright.
over
I
the
am
hair.
sold. Where can I
I'm
find
sold
it?
too, yeah.
I
Okay.
want, I'm gonna buy this for Joel, and I'm gonna get the other two. Yes. Where can we find you?
Okay, we are located at Bronstrop Square on the boulevard, right across from Sovereign Center, and right beside the Ruby's gas station.
Know it?
Very easy. Those are the landmark. Right?
What's
Right.
your social media handle?
Okay, it's Keys All Natural,
That's Keis.
Keis, right? All Natural,
Right.
and that you can get on YouTube. Also,
And you have a YouTube channel
we
as
have
well.
a YouTube channel, and it's the
All right.
same thing for the YouTube channel.
Keys Natural.
Right, and it's the same thing for
Alright.
Instagram.
All right, and final thing, your price range.
Our price, oh God, it's cheap.
Oh, all right, that's all we
Price
need.
range, oh God, it's cheap.
And
Daytime
you
Live
can
will be
come
right
in.
back. I can't wait. But guess what, guys? We're talking to DeMarco. Join us after the break. Yes. All right. So this